Hey Tribe, I'm Stacey.
And I'm Maddie, and we're from The Chief Life. And today we're going to take a little bit of a different spin on the frequently asked questions and take the time to explain what our upcoming retreat is all about. No matter what you need,
Whenever you need it.
there's one thing you can count on.
We've got your back.
Because that's how we roll here.
At The Chief Life. Yes, it's going to be in April this year, 2018. We're going from the 12th to the 15th, which is a Thursday afternoon to a Sunday morning. So essentially a 3-night getaway where you guys get to relax, reset, refocus, maybe even recreate yourself a little bit.
So it's going to be based off of a farm called Wyballina. It's a little organic farm that's based in the hinterlands of the Byron Bay region. This farm is absolutely amazing. We've been there before. We spent 3 nights there before, and it's absolute bliss, and it's so cool. But we're going to be living off of the land while we're there, which means we'll go into the garden, we'll pick our own food, we'll do cooking classes with the food, get to prepare our own meals, cook it up, and then eat it on the spot as well. But don't worry, you don't have to cook all your own meals. There will also be some catered meals.
Yeah, there'll be an in-house chef to prepare some of your meals for you, and then we'll be preparing some of your lunches with you. There'll also be a gift that will include a little surprise gift from us at The Chief Life. And the other things that you'll get to have the opportunity to do will be things like farmyard fitness, so going out and being around the farm and actually using yourself to perform these exercises.
Yeah, so a lot of actual stuff that you see hopefully out in the farmyard anyway. We're also going to be doing yoga and some meditation with Stace. We're going to be going through different sorts of classes. So I guess
mini
it's
workshops.
like mini workshops that you'll go through. And of course, this is all optional, but one of the ones I'm really excited for is the biohacking course that we're going to get to go through.
Yeah, we'll also go through sort of the 7 pillars of health.
Yeah, so like a lifestyle assessment.
Yeah, and how you can improve your whole life. So not just nutrition, but how you can kind of take all of the areas of health, all of the areas of fitness, and put them all together so you leave the weekend with the tools to continue to go on and be the best version of yourself you can be.
Guys, like we said, the classes are optional. You'll also have a heap of spare time. It's time that you guys can spend in the pool. You guys can spend time bushwalking. There's an infrared sauna. So you guys can spend some time in there detoxing the body, getting some sweat on. But pretty much it's an amazing place, very peaceful, very bliss-like. It's just going to be chilled, which is nice.
Yeah, an awesome group of people are already signed up, so there's only a few spots left. If you are keen to get on board, then please email myself or Maddie, Stacey at The Chief Life, or Matty at The Chief Life, and we'll be happy to answer your questions or get you registered and signed up.
Also, guys, if you're not interested in the retreat just yet, but you do want some help with your nutrition, then by all means, please send through some emails. If you've got any questions based around your nutrition or how we can help you with a personalized meal plan, then that's something that we're stoked to do. So if you do have questions, please let us know.
We look forward to working with you soon.
Thanks, guys.